How to get more hero coins for strongest hero? Use the strongest hero mode APK. I've got it on my iPhone, as you can see right here, but it is working also on an Android device, so if you want to know how to get more hero coins for strongest hero game, then you should check this video, watch this video till the end, and I will show you the whole process of downloading this awesome modded version with unlimited hero coins. So in this video I will show you how this strongest hero mod APK is working, and later we will uninstall this game and then I will download it again to show you the whole process of downloading this awesome mod. So right now let's check the game. As you can see, I got this modded version from ogapps.top, as you can see right here, but let's close this alert right now. So we are in the shop right now, and as you can see I've got a lot of hero coins already, but if I want to add it more, as you can see all the packages of hero coins are totally free, and I can get it for free in a simple click. So let's add some more hero coins. Maybe we will add maybe this, and as you can see it is working really good. The bonus is working, so don't worry, you will get a lot of more coins, but it doesn't matter as it is all free. So let's add maybe this, let's add more. So as you can see the mod is working good. I can get a lot of hero coins in a few clicks. I'm getting more and more hero coins for free on this mod. Okay, so as you can see, MHA strongest hero plus modded version mode APK with unlimited hero coins. So I will close it now, and now I will uninstall it. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to your browser and go to this awesome website, ogapps.top. ogapps.top. Go to this website and find here MHA strongest hero, as you can see right here, strongest hero mode. Click on here, and it is working for Android and iOS. I have an iOS device, I have an iPhone, so I will click here, but if you have Android, click Android, and the process of downloading is the same for both devices. So I will click right here, and it will take a couple of seconds, so I will get back to you when it's almost done. Okay, so now it is downloading package installer, as you can see right here. Okay, installation in progress. Install succeeded. Okay, so I need to close it, and as you can see I've got the MHA strongest hero mod APK on my device again. So if you need more hero coins, then you should check this awesome modded version to get more hero coins for free. So thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel, and bye.